from near to Dublin, in a little town called Bray, far across the sea to Liverpool, and this is so very far away. I go back home tomorrow. Well, there is one thing makes mistake. This is the everlasting sipping of the Guinness. Oh, Guinness, how I love you, with your body black and strong, and your head so white and creamy I can sip you all night long. In fact, that's what I always do. That's why I sing this song. I am mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, hey, yeah, skip like doodle-lay, my mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, my mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Well, I've got a little wife, and I have everything in the world. She has borne me 30 children, 7 boys and 7 girls. And I would buy her golden diamonds and great big string of pearls. But I've got to spend me money on the Guinness. Oh, Guinness, how I love you, with your body black and strong, and your hands white and creamy, I can sip you all night long. In fact, that's what I always do. That's why I sing this song. I am mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, I'm mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, I'm mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Now there are Protestants, and there are Catholics, and me and one of them. And there are Hindus, and there are Buddhists, and there are lots of holy men. But my favorite religion, I worship over and over again, is the everlasting sipping of the Guinness. Oh, Guinness, how I love you, with your body black and strong, and your head so creamy I can sip you all night long. In fact, that's what I always do. That's why I sing this song. I am mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, hey, yes, skip like doodle-lay, mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. I don't know. Now there's someone drink tea and coffee, and kittens come out of her ears. And some drink the whiskies, and some drink the beer. But the only decent drink that I can find around here is the nectar of the gods they call the Guinness. Oh, Guinness, how I love you, with your body black and strong, and your hands so white and creamy I can sip you all night long. In fact, that's what I always do. That's why I sing the song. I am mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, hey, yes, skip like doodle-lay, a mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, hey, yes, skip like doodle-lay, a mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. Yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, yes, skip like doodle-lay, my mass of a tit and laugh with Guinness. The Guinness Song. Dankeschön.